Hi, I'm Thomas Hall, Executive Director of CleanStart.
Hi, and I'm Gary Simon, founder and chairman of CleanStart. And we're here today to talk to you about an opportunity. If you're starting a company that's in clean tech, or you already have one, or you're just thinking about it, come to our CEO crash course where you get to learn a broad range of skills and expertise that you can use to be more successful in building that company. It's put on by us in BlueTechValley. And Thomas, you can put on the screen where people can sign up for this class.
So if you want to sign up, go to cleanstart.org. It's right here on our website. You can see it. Go and click right up there. It is going to take you to the CEO crash course. And here you can learn more about the crash course, from its topics to its starting and ending. And if you want to apply, there's limited space. Make sure to get your application in by May 20th. Click on Apply Now, and we have a simple Google form for you to fill out. So please go to cleanstart.org and follow the links to the CEO crash course.
So apply by May 20th, and the courses will begin June 4th and run through June 29th. It's free.